Speak sponsored by RxCardClub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. RxCardClub.com, Veteranshealth and Confidence Restored by VA Wellness Program. The article discusses how a VA Wellness Program, the Women's Passport to Wellness, helped an Army veteran named Audrey Barrett regain her health and confidence. Barrett faced various health challenges, including thyroid cancer and injuries from her military service, which led to weight gain and depression. The program, led by a women's wellness coach named Otmara Soberanes, provided Barrett with personalized support and flexible virtual appointments. Soberanes helped Barrett with meal planning, accountability, and tailored fitness routines to address her injuries. Through this support, Barrett was able to lose 25 pounds and see improvements in her mental health and energy levels. The article highlights the importance of the program's compassionate approach and how it empowered Barrett to build healthy habits for life. It encourages other veterans to try the program and seek out VA wellness resources, emphasizing the value of having the right support to take small steps towards their health goals. RxCardClub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. /speak